In the past, there were two major barriers to the production of human ES cells using cloning techniques. The first was a technical barrier. In 2004, it was reported that a South Korea-US joint research team succeeded in making ES cells from cloned human embryos, which attracted tremendous interest. In 2005, the team announced that they also successfully produced ES cells from patients with spinal cord injury, making it seem that regenerative therapy without immune response became much closer to reality. However, at the end of 2005, the media reported allegations of fabricated research data. It was also said that there were problems with the way the eggs used in creating cloned embryos were procured, including payments for donation and psychological pressure. In early 2006, a report was released stating that the team had not succeeded in creating ES cells from cloned human embryos. This resulted in a big scandal, and Professor Hwang Woo-sok, the main researcher of the study, resigned from his post at Seoul National University. After this incident, there was a dramatic decrease in attempts to create ES cells from cloned human embryos. The second was an ethical barrier. When ES cells are created from cloned human embryos, the embryo is destroyed. Therefore, similarly to the subject of abortion, this raised the ethical question as to whether it is acceptable to deliberately destroy embryos for research, giving rise to controversies in many countries. In the United States, for example, although some people try to promote ES cell research because it could help treat incurable diseases, the then President George W. Bush banned the use of federal funds for research that involved creation of ES cells, which led to a setback in ES cell research in the United States. In Japan, too, there was intense debate over the pros and cons of ES cell research. Production and use of ES cells without using cloning techniques have been allowed since 2001 under strict regulations. And after extensive discussions by the Cabinet Office and the Ministry of Education, in 2009, the creation of cloned ES cells for research purposes was permitted, but only under strict conditions. Research on cloned human embryos is legally acceptable within certain limits in the United Kingdom and South Korea, but is prohibited in France and Germany.